This little device promises to be your car's ultimate deterrent, but can a fake alarm really keep thieves away? Let's find out. The USUPERINK car alarm system boasts a seriously loud 113 decibel siren, and it doesn't just rely on sound. It also has a flashing red LED light that's designed to mimic a real alarm, hopefully making any potential thief think twice. It's interesting how they mention vehicle insulation dampening sound. This dual approach of light and sound seems like a smart way to overcome that. What's really cool is the customization. You can adjust the volume across 3 levels, 96, 106, and a very loud 113 decibels. This is great because you can tailor it to your environment, avoiding unnecessary noise complaints while still getting a decent alert. Even more impressive is the 7-level sensitivity adjustment. This means it can pick up on everything from a gentle nudge to a more forceful attempt to break in, which is crucial for effective security. The wireless remote control is a big plus. It has a range of up to 200 feet, so you can arm or disarm your vehicle from a good distance. Plus, it's versatile. You can pair up to 8 remotes with a single alarm unit, and it can also work with multiple alarm hosts. This flexibility is a nice touch. And this isn't just for cars. The product description highlights its multi-purpose nature. It can be used on motorcycles, trucks, bicycles, electric vehicles, luggage, and even as a security alert for home windows and doors when you're away. The dual mounting system, offering both adhesive tape and straps, makes it adaptable to almost any surface. Durability is another key feature. It's built with a tough PC shell and is IP66 waterproof and dust-resistant. This means it should hold up well against the elements, whether it's rain, dust, or general wear and tear. And a thoughtful addition is the low battery warning. Nobody wants their security system to fail because of a dead battery, so this indicator is a really practical feature. Overall, the USUPERINK car alarm system seems like a robust and versatile security solution. Its combination of loud sound, flashing light, adjustable sensitivity, and wide range of applications makes it a compelling option for anyone looking to add an extra layer of protection to their belongings.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.